What is up, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing Airpods 443. This product was made by a company called Boat. It has a lot of features. So let us see some of the features. It has switch connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0 and sweat resistance and 6mm dynamic drivers, and it has one touch voice assistant, advanced capability touch control. So these are the few features of this product. Let us start unboxing this amazing product. This is the product, guys. So yeah, this is the Boat Airpods 443. Let us keep this aside. And these are few booklets which they give to read as usual, and they give this box. I don't know what's there in that. And this is a Boat manual. There's a setup instruction, and again this is a book. So yeah, these are the few items that they give. Let us see what is there in the box. Okay, they give a C-type cable for charging this Boat Airpods 443, and they give this extra earbuds so that you can use it for two people, or if it's worn out, this could be an extra piece for you. So yes, let us come to the final product, Boat. Whoa, it's so cool. And they have adaptive touch control, as I told you before. So this is the case, and these are the two twin buds. They even glow up. Each light represents many colors in them. Overall, this product was pretty good, and I would recommend it to you. Okay, guys, that is all for this video. Subscribe right here, and here are also two amazing videos you have to see. Bye bye.